How's it going, guys? My name is Sergey, and I'm here to present the Jinglinator 4000.
How do you spell that? The Jinglinator?
The J-I-N.
It's not up on the screen.
It's on GitHub. Yeah. Basically, I trained NuPIC on a data set of 500 different jingles, and now it can compose or predict, however you want to put it, a jingle based on an input vector of a few notes. So you put in a few different notes, and it will make a prediction based on the jingle. But my primary interest in this, I wanted to see if it kind of reverts to the same average pattern, whatever input you give it, or if it's actually something based on the initial sequence.
Sergey, are you going to play music?
Well, I don't know if you can call this music, but I will play.
Okay.
Audio.
Sure, audio, yeah, that's much better. That wasn't it, by the way.
Hip-hop.
So here, this algorithm is working, but I have some sample outputs based on the jingle, so we can play this one. This is an example of a jingle. And this is based on 4 notes.
This is what you trained it on?
No, this is what the output it gave given an input vector of the first 4 notes.
Catching. What did you train it on?
MIT published a jingle set.
I mean, would these jingles be recognized?
I haven't heard of any of them.
I guess the problem is the quality of the output is going to depend on what it's been trained on, so I have no idea what it's been trained on.
Yes, so the Ryan's Mammoth collection, it's a famous collection of jingles. There are 1,500 in total, but my algorithm ran out of time, so it's only 500. But basically what I wanted to show you guys, the somewhat interesting part to me, is that here in the first 4 notes you can see, oh, well, that's the one we launched. Even in the first input vector, if you give 2 similar notes, there's going to be a pattern of 2 repeating notes over the whole jingle, like here, here. So it actually finds themes in music, and given the input vector, will somehow show them later. So since I have exactly 0 musical training, what I'm going to do, if somebody's interested, I'm going to ask a friend of mine to compose 5 initial notes for a jingle, train it on the whole data set, and see what it outputs. The code is on GitHub if you want to go through it.
So let me ask you a couple questions. Is there time for questions?
Sure.
Or are you about to give into the
No, sure.
So music has, the notes have, duration and rhythm to them, but you're not showing that here. So how did you encode, when you took the original jingles, did you incorporate that at all? You just took the intervals, the actual notes? Or?
I actually took just the notes, the data set I used had only the same temporal structure. 4x4. The actual durations I did not encode. This is a categorical encoding based on notes. I'm thinking about doing an encoder for sheet music. It would require, I think you can't use any of the existing encoders. You will have to use duration, the octave, so like the same notes in different octaves, share bits and stuff like that. So I'm actually planning.
Yeah, you'd want to do duration, and you basically you want to do the intervals, not actual notes.
Yes. So you do the shortest possible interval, and that as a setting, so one note can occupy several intervals at once.
Cool. Any other questions for Sergey?